Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Roblox character all black. So if you want to learn how, then simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Make sure that you launch open your Roblox application and also make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main home page, tap on your Roblox avatar at the bottom of the screen, in the middle, and this will open up your avatar. If you want to customize and make your Roblox character all black, then tap on the customize button at the bottom left. Now, tap on head and body, select skin, and select a dark color or a black color for your avatar's skin. After you change the skin tone of your character, you can now go ahead and tap on the customize button again and go and click on the clothing option. Select a dark outfit for your character, such as the t-shirt, pants, and make sure to choose all of the dark colors for your character's avatar. Make sure to select all of the outfit from top to bottom into black in order to make your Roblox character all black. That is the only way you'll be able to change your Roblox avatar to all black in a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.